There's a rhythm to life, and when you stop forcing, stop fixing, or stop trying to figure it all out, you start hearing it. It's in the moments you slow down enough to feel your spirit tug. And the crazy part is the moment you stop fighting and start trusting, the door opens. And not because you chased it, but because you listened to that little whisper, that nudge, that energy shift. That's alignment. The moral of the story is the moment you start trusting yourself and listening to that little whisper, the more things start flowing instead of being forced. And baby, that is not luck. That is alignment.